Today we're going to talk about how can we build a Facebook live chat or Facebook Messenger button or Facebook Message Us button like this that sits on the bottom right of your website for free. Hi, this is Jason. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a Facebook Blueprint certified professional since 2017, and since 2010, I've helped over 200 clients navigate success in Facebook advertising and digital marketing. I've also trained with over 3,500 individuals since 2016, specifically on Facebook advertising and digital marketing. And if you're new to my channel, please be sure that you subscribe because you want to be notified as and when we have new tips coming live. If you want your Facebook ads or digital marketing related questions answered, head over to my Facebook page and drop me a message. Now, the first way of creating a Facebook Messages button or Facebook Messenger plugin onto your website, like this at the bottom right of your website, the easiest way to do it is actually to use directly on the Facebook page. There is an option, and they are actually a very simple tool for you to quickly create something that you can easily plug and play and put it back to your website. Very simple. Come to your Facebook page and click on settings, and once you are actually in the settings level, all you need to do is to look for the left sidebar, look for messaging over here, okay, and then you'll be landed on this. Scroll down further, you'll be able to see this add messenger to your website, this thing, add messenger to your website. So just click get started, and this thing will pop up. Just click next, and eventually this is how the preview looks like. Okay, you can actually change the greeting message as you want it. So how can we help you? Let's say, how are you today? This is exactly how you want to do it, but the maximum character is 80, so you don't want to actually write the whole essay over there, you see. So once it's done, just click save and you click next. Then eventually this is how it looks like. When people click the send message button, and this navigation or this message will pop up. And eventually you can even customize the button color and even own bubble box color as well. So there are many other colors that you can choose from. You are actually allowed to, if you want to specifically go into different color, probably a brand color, yes, you can navigate a different kind of color. So once you're fixed, once you're alright with the color, you just click next, and this is how you can just plug and play and install the script. But before that, you want to actually make sure that your website is being added here. So these are all the website that has been added or so-called linked to your Facebook page. And if you want to have a new pages coming in or so-called new website coming in, as in like you want this Facebook Messenger chat box or the messages button or the Facebook Messenger plugin to be installed on a different website, you need to make sure that it's being added here. So you just add a new one and just click save. There are two ways for you to install the code. In fact, installing the code is actually very easy. You just need to copy this whole thing over, okay, and go over to your website. If you're using WordPress and most of the so-called websites or even e-commerce platforms, it's very easy. You just need to paste it alongside with your Google Analytics and Facebook Pixel, and that pretty much work because it has to be after the opening of body, which is like there are certain settings that you want to do it. Or alternatively, you can click these email instructions to your developer, just key in a message or email, and you click finish, and we are pretty much done. So this is how you create a Facebook Messenger Message Us button or the Messenger plugin to your website for free. Now, over to you. What are your experience in terms of the topic that we have discussed just now? Head over to the comment section and leave your comment. If you have more questions related to Facebook advertising and digital marketing, head over to my Facebook page and leave me a message. You can find the link in the description below. And this is it for this time of the video. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Share with your friends if you think this is useful for them. Thank you again. See you soon.